I need this as much as I need to clean the faucet. So if your boogers look like this, you better see the doctor, y'all. Whoa! What the heck?
Welcome to Cosmic Kids. I'm Jane, who faces your plans. And bringing our hand into hiding, let's come into our hiding pose. The first order has risen all the way up and to your hips. They put to one hand and wave at the sky. Bring your foot in front of your knee and shoot your back leg out behind you, going meow. And again, breathing in. I can do it. Just fade a breath to the sky. On the other side. Stretch. Bring up one hand. Bring up no hands.
Good job.
Sweeping your hand all the way across to your opposite foot and up to the sky, pointing your toes.
I am currently trying to help my mom apply for unemployment. This has been the most inducing situation I've been in a very, very, very long time. I feel for anyone who has to deal with this. When I had filed for unemployment almost 10 years ago, I don't remember having to go through all of this because I literally feel like I'm gonna throw up. This is exactly what this woman, part of the House of Representatives, and she was asking an elected official who has the power to make these kinds of things less complicated. She was saying that, I sound so uneducated because I don't know their names or anything like that, but it's just popping up my head and I just want to share it with you guys. She believes that this process is designed to put you through so much that you don't even finish the damn application. But this is like my mom's livelihood. So she's gonna get paid for the time up until she stopped working, and she's also gonna get paid some vacation time and stuff like that. A lot of people are blessed to have those opportunities, but she wants to submit her application so that when that period is ended, she will be covered. It's unknown. We don't know when they're going to release us from the lockdown, shutdown, whatever you want to call it. I've been on the phone with my mom trying to collect this information to help her out. She's been on the phone with her employer. It's taking such a long time to fill out. You would need that kind of relationship with your employer to get this information, because it's like, if you've been working for them for years and years and years and years, how would you know the start date? How would you know to the month how long you've been working with them? This is intense, and I have to stay calm and I have to stay present because I need to help my mom do this. I don't have the ability to file for unemployment because I don't technically have an employer. We're getting it done. I just have to sit here and wait for my mom to call me back. I don't want to talk to anybody else about this kind of stuff. She was like, you want to talk to my boss about this? I'm like, no. I have so much anxiety. If I'm snappy or rude, I'd rather be snappy or rude to my mom than to her boss. You know what I'm saying? This is so frustrating. But I wish there was a number on your check. It should be your social security number. Punch in your social security number, and anytime that was used for you to make money, it should pop up. It shouldn't be this complicated. She's old. How the frick is she supposed to remember all this stuff? And then they want the gross wages of the last 3 months, and then 3 months before that, and then 3 months before that, and then 3 months before that. What the She would have to figure out how much she made in 3-month increments for the last 18 months. This is just a small example of what we've been going through. And she's entitled to it because she works her ass off. I'm looking over here thinking that this is the camera's over here. She just had a major foot surgery. She was out for 6 weeks and she went back. She has a rod in her foot. It's upsetting she has to go through all this. So we found this Craft City by Karina Garcia, her DIY slime kit, and it's supposed to glow in the dark. It's on clearance right now for $5.98.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's good. Oops, that's bad.
That's not bad. It's okay.
Okay, mix.
So it says next, use the measuring cup and add 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of activator to the cup. It's very thin, so that means it's gonna spill super easy. So it's 1 big one and then 1 half one.
Oh,
it's okay. It's okay. Do it over there. Do it over here so you don't miss any drops.
oh my god.
That's okay. And then half. Get a half. Good. Now once everything is mixed together, you may use your hands to continue pulling and stretching the slime until It has completely blended to the maximum gooey achieved. Ooh.
E.
So if your boogers look like this, you better see the doctor, y'all.
ASMR. Wow, so sticky.
Jude.
Okay, let's see. Is it?
Let's go in the restroom.
For it to go to like 15.
Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoa! What the heck? Okay, so it is 2:30, and I just finished my mom's application for unemployment. It says, oh, and then also on the confirmation page, unless you have all of the details for the last 3 years of employment, that includes, I mean, everything about your job description, your employer, the dates where you were hired, all of your gross income. Like I was saying, I was breaking it down within 3 months of the last 3 years, which is just crazy. It's crazy, y'all. Anyways, moving down here too, I mean, look how much you have to get through. You're reading. By this time, I'm sure all of y'all are going to be like, hell no, I'm not reading anything else. I'm good. This should be like huge and up at the top. But if you fail to provide an updated resume on CalJobs within 21 days, this can lead to a delay or denial of the filing of unemployment. I'm not sure who's gonna hire right now, but hey, gotta follow the rules. Don't get disqualified. Do yourself a favor, okay? Over 10 years ago when I applied, they would send you paperwork that you had to fill out, and it was like you had to go and apply for like 6 jobs, and you turn it in, and then they send you your check. Now that everybody and my mom is applying for unemployment, I'm sure it's gonna be way more strict. This is wild. My 65-year-old mom needs to fill out I can't. I'm on my period. I'm eating an ice cream cone. Jude's gone. He went to his dad's house for a couple days and he'll be back soon enough. I made a huge mess. There's Jude's scooter. I still have to like extend those and get the handlebars to stick on for life because it just falls off. But when he scoots, look what happens. Isn't that cute?
Discussing the need for a date when the economy can turn back on, whereas Steve Bannon is saying, drop the hammer today on the virus, we're going to have to take the pain up front, we have to shut it all down. I want to ask you about the tension between the economic pain we're suffering and, of course, the virus itself and the casualty and deaths from that.
I think you have to shut it down and you have to see, but there'll be a point at which we say we're back in business, let's go.
The president is still speaking, but I think they really should lock us all down, like down. Give us some time for everybody to go get what you need, and if you need assistance, get your assistance, but everybody is on lockdown. That way we can hurry up and get this shit over with and we can get back to normal because I'm losing it. People upstairs are yelling at their kids all day. They're losing it. So it's raining pretty hard outside, and I just got done doing some edits to a video that you guys are going to see pretty soon, and you're probably going to know what I'm talking about when you see it. But I think I'm going to go take a bath. I'm out of bath bombs. Damn it. But it's okay. I have some Epsom salt. My shoulders are kind of sore. I cannot wait to go see my chiropractor. I guess I'm going to be extra clean today. I mean, there's just stuff everywhere. I could definitely keep going, but you know what? I'm going to take a break. I'm going to take a break because all the stuff is still going to be here when I get out. Yeah. Also, your girl's losing weight. Ew. Okay. Ooh. Oh. Even the damn mirror's dry. Just throw it away. I need this as much as I need to clean the faucet. I found that video that I was talking to you guys about earlier, and it was about food stamps. And I don't want to misquote anything, so I'll make sure I leave that link so you guys can watch it for yourselves. Congresswoman Katie Porter. She's out in Irvine, California. She's one of us, y'all, so that's my girl. She's a freshman as part of the House of Representatives, and she's doing her thing, okay? Calling it. She's gonna be something bigger than this. And I'll be out there voting for her, let me tell you. And God bless the people who speak out for the people. I also saw this man, he was a black man. He had to have been like a city official. I don't know his name or his title again. I just watched a video. He was really upset about shutting off people's utilities during this crisis during the pandemic, and the lady who was obviously above him just could not give one crap about what he was saying. Honestly, that's why I don't follow many creators, because they're not relatable. A lot of people are not relatable, especially the people who have millions and millions of followers in their big mansion talking about, I'm not coming out. Like, I can't. You don't have to. People being inconvenienced about the taste of water. Listen, it's clean, drink it, and shut the hell up. I'm getting pissed. I'm on my period. I already told you, I am on my period. This is me time, but this is also like get things done, try to get ahead time, eat a good meal time. I might eat another lean cuisine and watch Love Island UK until I pass out. But that's enough for me today. Tomorrow is Monday, so you guys are going to be watching it on Tuesday at 5, but tomorrow is Monday, and the mission of Monday is definitely going to be to lower my bills. What I need to do is find a camera, another camera, something that's lightweight, not my camera, DSLR, that I film my YouTube tutorials with, but a smaller camera, because I keep using my phone, and it's been a pain in the ass to take the videos off of my phone and onto my computer because apparently I'm out of space. Whatever. There's freaking tanks at the beach right now. Lord have mercy. It's fine. I'm fine. I'm good. Are you good? I'm good. I smell like pickles because I just had two, but it's fine. I'm good. I'm on my period. Good night.